Ready to give your FC24 club the identity it truly deserves? Let's dive into how you can give your team a fresh new name. First, make sure you're in the main menu of FC24. From here, navigate over to the club section. You can usually find this on the left-hand side of your screen, represented by an icon that looks like your club's stadium or crest. Once you're in the club menu, look for the option that says Club Details or something similar. This is where all the core information about your team is stored, including its name. Within the Club Details screen, you'll see your current club name displayed. There should be an option right next to it, likely with an edit icon or a button that says Change Name. Click on that Change Name option, and a text input field will appear. This is your chance to get creative. Type in your new, personalized club name. Remember, you've got the freedom to create a unique brand for your team, so choose something that fits your style and ambitions. Once you've entered your desired name, confirm it. You'll likely need to press a button to accept the changes. It's that simple. And there you have it. Your FC24 club now has a brand new name, reflecting your personal touch and vision for the team. Go out there and dominate the virtual pitch with your newly branded club.